Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Joshua here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Wi-Fi CLICKZ and its official launch on the 7th of March 2022. And we're going to break down exactly how Wi-Fi CLICKZ is, how you get access to it, and how you can also get access to my bonuses. So here are some of my earnings. 100K plus in just 8 to 12 months without any investment, just working 1 hour a day on YouTube and affiliate marketing. So I follow these strategies by YT Supremacy course, which is worth about 5K, but I will give you for free as a bonus. You just need to watch this video till the end, where I show you how to access the bonuses. Welcome to the Wi-Fi CLICKZ review, where I will show you exactly what is inside the product. Wi-Fi CLICKZ is 100% done for you cloud-based traffic app that gives you great results promoting affiliate offers from any affiliate network, including Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank, Digistore24, and much more affiliate programs. I have 6 years of experience on affiliate marketing. When people come on affiliate marketing initially, most people give up because they don't get any sales, which means your traffic is not targeted, or maybe you're spamming the whole internet through your affiliate links, like on a Facebook group, YouTube comment, maybe Instagram. I think no traffic, no sales. Even if I didn't get one sale for a year as a beginner, I still didn't give up. But you can see the strategies I used that made me 100K plus in the last year. Imagine if these results can convert in your account. I simply use YouTube strategies to make these kind of results, and I will give you the course for free. So here you can see Wi-Fi CLICKZ app made around 17,321 in the last 30 days using unlimited free traffic. As promised, you can make up to $27 in just 1 minute using these simple copy and paste systems. If in your mind you have a question like, I'm a total beginner, can I make money with Wi-Fi CLICKZ? Or does it really work for you? So I will show you my results on Digistore24. You can see I made around $9,000 in the last 30 days just using this Wi-Fi CLICKZ system. It means it's worth it. It really works. Surely I will invest more time on Wi-Fi CLICKZ. I have 7 different income sources in affiliate marketing, and I include Wi-Fi CLICKZ as my 8th part of my income. One more question you might have, does it take time to get results? And my answer is no. You can make sales from day one. You just need to work on it. Just change your attitude, challenge yourself. So we will discuss more on this topic, but before I will give you some information about my free exclusive bonus for you. See how simple this is to steal my ClickBank and YouTube strategies. So if you find that Wi-Fi CLICKZ is a good fit for you and want to take some action, I've got some really cool bonuses that I'm going to give to you, and you can click the link in the description to check out Wi-Fi CLICKZ and also to get access to my bonuses. So if you buy from my link below in the description, you're going to get access to a YT Supremacy course that I personally used and make a huge income per month on autopilot, and I live like my own boss. See, these results I got from YT Supremacy strategies that I used a year ago, I don't put any effort or even any investment. And the best part is you don't need to show your face or speak. If you buy Wi-Fi CLICKZ and get these YT Supremacy, then it will rock on your results. With the same strategies, I make at least $1,000 a week. I think I will not keep these bonuses up for a long time, so time is limited. Grab it before it's gone. Once you purchase through my link, you will automatically access the YT Supremacy. Why you need to get YT Supremacy right now as a bonus. YT Supremacy is a brand new training course that teaches you how to build authority YouTube channels to dominate your niche or niches for promoting affiliate products or even your own products and services. This is a 100% newbie friendly method. It will show you the exact method we use to earn thousands per month from affiliate marketing on YouTube. Learn how to rank videos in YouTube and Google to get more free traffic. You don't need to show your face on camera. You don't need hosting, a website, or an email list. Free traffic, no paid ads. Become an authority, recognized professional, and trusted video marketer in your niche. Today's work can reward you for years to come. And see how people are making money on autopilot using the same strategies with YouTube. It's very easy to do to get this kind of income. I'm sure this course is worth $1,000, but you're very lucky that you are accessing it for free. And it might be for a limited period too. You can see some of the Glynn Kosky results here. See, he is making $10,000 plus using 100% free traffic without doing anything. Feeling jealous, right? Don't worry, these results can be yours if you take the immediate action today. Later will be later. Just go ahead and change your mind and challenge yourself. This is a secret underground Wi-Fi traffic loophole that pays us $27.43 per minute. You can get the results without investing money on traffic like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or Google ads. Once you activate the Wi-Fi CLICKZ, you don't need to wait for a long time to see the results. As I told you, you can see the results from day one. And this is a little-known Wi-Fi traffic loophole. Wi-Fi CLICKZ systems are done based on their secret Wi-Fi link, which takes a few seconds to run your affiliate link on the app. After pasting your affiliate link, boom, you are on. And after that, it doesn't matter even if your phone or tablets are off. So its actual price is $97 per month, but you can receive this for $19 per month with no monthly cost. As users of the apps increase, the old price will start again from $97 per month. So don't miss this. You can see hundreds of dollars of earnings per day with 100% free traffic. Results are amazing. Some people who have never earned any dollars on affiliate marketing, they're making money with this app. You can see some of the testimonials people are talking about. Even I make money with this. Once you access, you are ready to go. You will get free hungry buyer traffic done for you with 2 steps only. Step 1, you need to activate the Wi-Fi ClickPay and just paste your affiliate link from affiliate sites like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digistore, or whatever you prefer. Step 2, sit back and watch as a raging river of free traffic and clicks hits your links on autopilot. Just copy and paste the system, sit back, relax, and start dreaming about what to do next. If you decide to buy these Wi-Fi CLICKZ, then I put the link in the description below to get access on my powerful YouTube course with affiliate marketing. You will never find these courses anywhere because I saw my results with this exact course. Imagine if you quit your 9-to-5 job, live like your own boss, and every day is the weekend. Full wallet, full bank account. In my opinion, I rate the Wi-Fi CLICKZ system a 9.5. It's worth the little investment you made towards the system. I think spending $20 on a restaurant is no better than spending it here to change your life. There are not any hidden fees or strings attached. No buying expensive equipment or recurring fees. None of that nonsense. We give you everything you need. It doesn't matter if you have 10 years or 10 days of experience. Wi-Fi CLICKZ includes everything you'll need to get started getting results right away. You don't need a domain name with Wi-Fi CLICKZ, and they'll host your system for you. Because there are no ongoing costs, this is as close to a pure profit model as it gets. Imagine getting a message every hour saying, you have 2 new sale notifications, or congratulations, you just made $300. Well, now you can with this software. This is the fastest and easiest system they've ever come across online. Perfect for people of all levels and abilities. And the best part, they didn't need to spend a dime of their own cash up front to generate the profits you see on this page. They started with 0 budget but have achieved game-changing results month after month. They're getting these results without paying for traffic, without upfront or ongoing costs, without selling, without waiting. It all adds up to pure profits in the bank. In fact, they do this from their phones, from anywhere in the world, because all they need is a Wi-Fi or a cell phone connection. So if you decide to go ahead, you can buy this from the link in the description below to get my exclusive YouTube and affiliate marketing course to get results like me. Thanks for watching our Wi-Fi CLICKZ review. Good.